Hi, this is Don, Cowboy Biker Adventures, with this week's adventure where I boondock at one of the top 5 boondocking places in the United States, and that is Badlands View on Badlands Wall looking over Badlands National Park. I will be showing you the road in and what it looks like if you want to come out here. If you've never boondocked in your life, you've got to at least try it. If you're in South Dakota, I'll also be showing you the views. I think you're gonna like it. First, let's talk about how you get here. I'm heading south on South Dakota Highway 240. At this point, I'm about 2 miles north of the entrance to Badlands National Park. And I missed the northernmost entrance to Badlands View where you can boondock. And it's another 1.7 miles down 240 to the southernmost point to enter the boondocking area. So I'll be taking you in the southern route, but when I came back in 5 days to bring my rig out here, I went in on the northern route because it was a smoother road. Pothole, this has got to be it. Bad pothole. I hope to bring my rig out here next Wednesday, which would be August 18th, and I'm trying to scope it out. I think I'm heading east. Which way you're going to be pointing, that's important too. There is approximately 3 miles along this Badlands wall overlooking Badlands National Park where you can boondock. Now, not all of it's level, but there is several spots to park your RV. The main purpose of this video is to show you what the terrain looks like, so if you come out here, you'll have an idea where to go or where you think you want to go. And I would like to encourage you to boondock out here if you're in the area, even if you've never boondocked before. When I came out here, this was before I had soap, and my rig didn't even have an inverter, and my generator was acting up at the time. So I'm telling you, you can boondock out here for at least one night. Now, since then, I have lots of solar, so if I'm ever back in the area, I may be out here for a whole week. It is beautiful, so just do it. There's a spot right here. It's open. Oh, this is getting steep. Ooh, and at a big angle. I don't know if I'd want to go past this point. Maybe another way in over here. Not sure. Probably where you come right here. see what it looks like. It's not bad view. This is easier. I think I'd rather come in this way. So far, anyway. I'm heading west here back towards South Dakota Highway 240, which would be the north entrance for the Badlands view. This is actually the way I brought my rig in 5 days later, and it's a lot smoother. Remember to stick around to after the credits for bonus pictures and video of my boondocking site here at Badlands View. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. But we're not done. Don't go anywhere yet. Thank you for sticking around for bonus pictures and videos of my boondocking site here at Badlands View, overlooking Badlands National Park. So until next time, have a good one.